So ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna see a neuron, its part and the function of every part of the neuron. Good. Now the first question to ask yourself it is, what is a neuron, or what a neuron is? Good. Actually, a neuron is a cell. You know, a cell is a fundamental unit. So it is a fundamental unit of the nervous system. And it is responsible for receiving sensory inputs from the external world and for sending the motor commands to our muscles and for transforming and relaying the electrical signals. Let's see the parts of the neuron. This is a neuron. There is a part within the center, it is called a nucleus. Just around the nucleus we see the cell body or SOMA. Then outside the cell body we see a cell membrane. Then this projection out of the cell body or the SOMA, it's called the dendrites. They are called the dendrites. So after the cell body, we see this whole part, it is called the axon. Then this axon starts from the axon hillock. Then this axon is made up. This is the myelin sheath. Then between two myelin sheaths there is a node of RANVIER. And then within the myelin sheath there is another part called Schwann cell. Then the projection of the axon at the end of it, it is called axon terminus. Now let's see the function of each part of a neuron. We start from the SOMA or cell body. It is the part that organizes and keeps the cell functional. You get it? Then its cell membrane, it's the one that protects the cell, of course. Then the nucleus is the one that controls the entire neuron. Now the dendrites are the one that receive signals from other cells, while the axon hillock is the one that generates the impulse within a neuron. When the impulses are received from the dendrites and others generated from the axon hillock, then that part of the axon is the one that transfers signals to the other cells and organs. So this axon, it starts from the hillock or the axon hillock, and this axon is made up of the myelin sheath, the node of RANVIER, and its terminus. Now let's see what nodes of RANVIER is for. This is the one that allows diffusion of ions from outside the cell and inside the cell. Then the myelin sheath is the one that speeds up the signals. Then the Schwann cells are the ones that produce the myelin sheath. So when the impulse has crossed all the way of the neuron, it reaches to the axon terminus. And this is the one that forms the junction with other cells. And then it sends the signals from one neuron to other neurons or other cells. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please rate the video, share it to your colleagues. And don't forget to press subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. May God bless you. See you in another video next time. Thank you very much. Don't forget to please like, subscribe and the bell. Don't forget to please like, subscribe and the bell.